I'm surprised it's not all of them.
We in the halfway we're gonna see happy birthday to Deborah. We just randomly say happy birthday to Deborah.
Okay.
No, just kidding.
But the Harry was down to get something.
What?
Like the Harry was what agree.
All right. If f prime of x greater than 0 for all x in A and B, then f is fill in the blank on A comma B. Okay, bracket A to B. Okay, what do you think that blank is? No. Well, A is differentiable, yes, but that's not the word I'm looking for. Somebody can help me fill in the blank? Anybody can help me fill in the blank? Yes. What do you think? If f prime of x is greater than 0 for all x, then f, which is the original function, is what? What is the original function doing? What? One word. Huh? Good job. Increasing.
Oh, that's so smart.
And this one is the what? The second one's what?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. Okay, so is increasing and decreasing here? The reason why is if you have positive, right? That means your slope is positive. That means your function is going up. Does that make sense? Are we okay here? Okay, so that's a simple understanding. Now, f prime of x is equal to 0 for all x in A and B. Then f of x is what?
I don't know.
Start with the word, start with a C. There you go, constant. Good job. Very good job, Maya. Mia. Maya. Mia. Don't know which one is. It's Mia or Maya.
Yeah.
Mia. Okay. Sorry. I'm very bad with names. Then tomorrow I'm probably gonna call you Maya. Who?
Brian.
Shin? What a jerk.
I think he does to piss you off. I'm pretty sure he does it to piss you off.
Yeah, he does.
He does that to be, yeah. What a jerk. I want to find the interval where functions is increasing or decreasing. So I'm just abbreviating. I'm not going to write out the whole word because I can spell sometimes. How do I do that? Well, if I want to find increasing, decreasing, I have to do what? I have to find slope. How do I find slope? Derivative, yes. So f prime x equal to 3x squared minus 3x and I'll find out 3x equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 0, x equal to 1. Am I going too fast? Is that okay, Julia?
Yes.
Now I'm going to do a number line test. Beginning of the year, I teach you how to do number line test. We're going to do a lot of number line tests today, or tomorrow, or this week. This is number line. Negative infinity, infinity. Where's the breakpoint I'm gonna put in? What are the critical values? I'm gonna put a factor on the side. Are you following me so far? Remember that first test I asked you to do number line test? So I'm gonna plug in a number between negative infinity to 0. What's the number I can plug in? Negative 5. Dude, okay. So negative 5 times 3. Negative 5 times 3. I don't care about the value. I only care about a sign. What sign is it?
Negative.
Negative sign. So I'm going to get a negative sign. Negative 5 minus 1. I'm going to plug it into this and put it right here. What do you put? Negative. So negative is positive. Am I going too fast? Okay. I'm going to plug in between 0 to 1. Which value am I going to plug in? 1/2. Okay, 1/2 plug in 3. Am I going to get positive or negative? 1/2 minus 1. Good. So positive times negative is what? Negative. Good. And I'm going to plug in 2. So positive, positive, positive. So this function is increasing, decreasing, increasing, because this is the result of f prime of x, right? So that is going to be increasing, decreasing, increasing. So if I were to tell you this part is going to be negative infinity to 0, union from 1 to infinity is going to be increasing. From 0 to 1 is going to be decreasing. Does that make sense? Now let me ask you, what do you think 0 is?
Constant? Wait,
It is constant. F prime of x, yeah, it is constant for slope goes. Yes.
Is it a x-intercept because that's where the graph crosses the x? So it changes from positive to negative.
It's x-intercept in f prime of x graph, but I'm asking what happened in original graph, like f of x graph. Yes, Julia, what will be that point? No, you're doing good, but I see your pen is doing the right things.
Well, I mean, it's like the part where they're like just changing direction. I don't know.
What is it called?
I don't know.
Wait, what's it called when it changes the sun?
Yeah, but what is it called, that particular point? Good, which one is it? Tony, what is it? Can you let other people know why it's a maximum? Yeah, because increase and going down. And that's why Julia taking her pen, she's like this. And she's like this, and she's like this. That's a relative maximum. Does that make sense? Now, that's not maximum value. How do you find a maximum value? Well, how do you get value? So if I have relative maximum value, is that where? Plug in the 0 to get y. So if I do that, I'm going to get 0 as well, because I got to get the y value. Remember, yu, right? You had to plug in original function to get a value. And what happened at 1? What is this? Relative what? Minimum. If I want to find out a value, then at x equal to 1, but min value is going to be what? It's going to be f of 1 is going to be 1 minus 3/2. That's equal to -half. So that is a relative mean value, and that's the things that you got to be good at. Questions? Anything here? Am I going too fast or no? So let's talk about what is the first derivative test. So remember, the first derivative tells me increasing or decreasing, but that's not a first derivative test. Don't get confused. If I ever told you says first derivative test is whatever in blue right now. So first derivative test, basically they say if f of x, if f prime of x change from negative to positive, so if we change from negative to positive at C, then f has a relative what? What do you think? Relative what? From negative to positive?
Like just max is maximum.
Minimum. Because went from negative to positive. Does that make sense? Went from negative to positive, then it's relative minimum. Okay. At C comma f of C, which is, that's a critical point. Now, why do you need this though? On AP exam, there's a section called free response sections. Now, usually they will ask you, can you find the relative maximum? You'll find it at this coordinate 0, 0. And then they say, can you justify this as a relative maximum? You can say, I use first derivative test where f prime of x changing from positive to negative, therefore at C is a relative maximum. You have to write that sentence down to get another point. But it's a very easy point, just learning how to write a statement. Second, if f prime of x change from positive to negative, and that's how you're going to write it at C, then f has relative maximum at C comma f of C. That's a coordinate, by the way. Third thing is true. They say if f prime of x is positive on both sides, of C, or negative on both sides, positive and negative on both sides, then f of C is neither relative min or max. So you're gonna write out like this. Got it? Okay. Let's talk about number line tests. I'm gonna say this one. I want you to do number line test on this one, which is I want you to find where relative min and max is. I want you to give it a try.
You wanted to find what?
I want you to find out where the relative extrema is. So the testing value is a little bit interesting here. Let's take a derivative of this. What's the derivative of this? Minus cosine of x, right?
Yep.
When does that's find critical number? When does cosine of x equal to 1/2? What? Pi over 3? What else? Pi over 3. That's excellent. So I'm going to do pi over 3 and the 5 pi over 3. And I'm going to do 0 and pi here, 2 pi here. Is that okay? Okay. Which number I should test in here? Wait a second. Did I? This one is a negative. This was plus. So that's the same thing, though. So I'm going to do 1/2 minus cosine of x. Which number I should plug in between 0 to pi over 3? Pi over 6. Okay, what happens if I plug in pi over 6? What's cosine of pi over 6? Root 3 over 2. What's 1/2 minus root 3 over 2? Is that negative or positive?
Negative.
1/2 minus root 3 over 2. Root 3 is higher than 1 or smaller than 1?
Higher.
Okay, so is that going to be negative or positive? Negative. Good. Are we okay here? Even though trig stuff, you can do this as well.
Wait, so we're only plugging it into one thing now?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because there's no two factor here. What's a good number to plug in between pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3? Any number. Which number you pick? 2 pi over 3. I don't want to do 2 pi over 3 though. I'll do pi. How about I do pi? What happens if I plug in pi? Huh? Yeah, negative 1 times negative. Because of 1/2 minus cosine of x, right?
Yeah.
So it's positive, right? What happens if we plug in 5 pi over 3 to 2 pi? What's a good number to plug in? What?
What?
No. 6 pi over 3 is at 2 pi. What's in between 5 pi over 3 and 2 pi? 11 pi over 6 is nice. And that would give you square root 3 over 2 again. And that would give you a negative. So it'll be decreasing, increasing, decreasing. And if I want a decreasing, it's going to be from 0 to pi over 3. Union from 5 pi over 3 to 2 pi. Increasing is going to be at pi over 3 to 5 pi over 3. Where's the relative max and min? Relative max is where?
Pi. 5 pi/3.
5 pi/3. Good. This is relative max. And this is what? Min. There you go. You just find all the things. And if you want to find the value, remember plug in to get the original value. So let's just say if I want a minimum value relative, I will plug in f of the pi/3, and it's going to be 1/2 times pi/3 minus sine of pi/3. So that's equal to pi over 6 minus, I don't know, square root 3 over 2. So whatever that value is, I don't know what that is. Somewhere between 0 to -1. It's some type of negative number, maybe -1/2 or -4.4, and that's that. I'm gonna give you homework early. Okay, so I'm gonna give it to you early. So I airdrop to you. I'm gonna put on Canvas, but if you don't have airdrop, too bad. I'm just kidding. You can start now because you got 12 minutes to do, right? 10. And I have 10 minutes to write BC tests.
Wait, can you pass my test?
Yeah.
Please pass it on. Or I can pass it on.
I can.
I'm very discreet.
I'd rather try now to show people.
Yeah, I'll do like a little
A
poll.
little.
So I'll check you guys. Like I'll do a little poll for the people that did good, and then I would face out for the people that did terrible.
If they did good, if they did bad, just smile at them.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
That's what he's gonna do to me right now. Apparently I did terrible according to Mr. Ye, and
I don't wanna
to come
see that
after
test.
school.
You have to come after school.
Is it that bad?
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know.
Are you gonna come after school too?
Are you like messing with me, or is it actually that bad?
I don't usually lie to kids. It's okay. So did you get airdrop?
I didn't get it.
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh,
I'm just dropping random people. I don't even know whose server is. Oh well.
airdrop, I found.
Why am I getting it twice?
If you come near my hallway, I'm gonna random airdrop you homework from calculus.
I just declined, you know.
Isaac, I should take my. Who's Isaac? He actually receive it.
I'm like, what the heck?
He's like, what the hell is this? It's so fun to randomly
Why am I
airdrop
getting
people.
airdrop a million times?
Keep giving it to Trevor.
Trevor declined me.
He's declining it, just keep giving it to him.
Really?
Yeah, give it.
Just this way?
Until they
Send it
accept
again.
it.
And hope she'll see?
Trevor.
I don't know who that is. Oh well, they do that to me all the time anyway.
Devon, can you send me the homework? I get airdrop.
For American?
You didn't get airdrop? I dropped to everybody and you didn't get it.
I opened it in Chrome, so I'm not sure how to say it.
Actually, if you
So you guys get it started?
make sure you post it, I can I can't see your phone. I'll just wait for him to
Okay, Mr. Ye, is it lower than a 70?
Yeah.
I got
Is my,
bro, how is that impossible?
is it lower to the 40?
I don't know. I'm gonna enter the score, so hold on a second. You will know in a second.
Is mine lower than a 60? Oh my god, don't even make that face. Mr. Ye, that's not even fun. That's not even so funny.
Oh my god, I need to see what test score
I
now.
don't know how nice. Bro, you
The new homework looking.
I think only 190 here.
You think only one?
190 is crazy, bro. You did turn.
Bro, I'm gonna get home. My mama's gonna beat my ass, bro. I'm scared.
I'm gonna say it's Sergio's fault.
Yeah, it's over that.
It's just been into it so much.
Wait, does your mom like social?
Yeah, she does.
It's better than 6-2 sport card.
Oh, that's okay.
I'm such a bully.
You know, he called me and he wanted to go out, but mom said I couldn't go out.
He call you, say you want to go out? No. No. You're gonna play hard to get now.
He said I couldn't go out.
So you just tell him that you didn't want to. Oh, and the ultimate.
Play hard to get. No, I said I'm busy.
That's good. That's good.
There you go. There you go. You got calculus over. Armin. Armin.
Bro, I'm resting about this.
What?
Yeah, you're actually trolling me. This is
No, maybe you have 90. Maybe you're the only one.
Anthony?
No, he literally said I got worse than him, and then he said he doesn't lie to kids.
I don't. Natalie?
Positive person curve.
Yo, Baze, I agree.
Everyone
Al?
who's negative in this class should get a curve. I'm just saying.
Deborah?
Deborah's not here.
Oh
Yeah, Deborah's the 90s and shit.
Tony.
That's not even bad, but
Deborah. Forrest? Yeah, I don't know why I call him my first name, not last name. Jorge? Oh, Jorge is not good, Jorge.
Jorge, is it worse than mine?
Uh, Nathan?
I don't know mine yet, but
Julia?
1 to 10. 1 is 10% and 10 is 100.
I don't know what
Julia?
If 1 is like a 10% and 10 is 100%.
Tren?
That's a pretty good scale.
I got this wrong.
I'll tell you what I got if you tell me what you got.
Sure.
Stump?
That has to be from. No, don't.
Mia? Devin?
What did you get? You definitely did better than I did, so sure what.
I don't know about that.
You definitely.
I got this
Oh.
straight line from
I literally said it, bro.
No. Okay. Okay.
That
Oh,
was
what was
tragic.
the
I
average?
shouldn't have done that to you. That was really
Average? Let me look it up. 58.85.
So I'm not gonna.
What'd you get?
I got a 7.
Not this one, the same.
Look what Matt I did to the last one. I was gonna.
What did you get for
Man,
What'd you get
everyone.
for 3? Oh, you got the wrong too? Yeah. What'd you get for 4B?
I knew you did
Or
good.
B. I got 1
I don't want 6. What the hell did I do?
I think I was like.
I mean,
Oh,
okay.
What? 70. Oh.
You got 70? It's okay, I'm gonna blow up for this test.
okay, Mr. Yang.
Can you say that one Thomas Edison quote again? Is that about the light
No,
bulb?
I need some clarification on this. Can you explain what I did wrong? I'll be back here. Don't even worry, Mr. Yang. I'll be back.
I did worse than last.
You gotta go figure out. That's your job.
I know, but I'm looking at it. I what I did wrong.
The angle between the ladder and the wall is not on the bottom. That's ladder and floor.
I didn't
No, ladder.
That one? Oh,
Because the 90-degree never
that was
changes.
tricky though, Mr. Yang. All of the angles have always been down here, and then you're gonna.
I underlined it too.
Okay. Had I put the angle up here, would I have gotten it right? Like with
You would have it. You would have the right setup.
Mr. Yang. Seriously?
No. You will not have a right answer though.
No. Wait, what? Why
Yeah,
not?
you will not have the right answer because
I
you
done
you
that
find the
here?
different things.
No. I'm saying like if I done it up here with the work that I did for doing it down here, like would I have gotten it right? I don't think I'm understanding.
Why did I mean Devon got 32 for D, he got it right, but I got 32 for D, and I got it wrong.
It's because I'm racist.
Again.
I like black people better. No, I'm just kidding. All right, 50.
I got it right. Did you write your BC test?
Not yet. Oh,
Why don't you write it the day? On the day of the test.
no, I supposed to wake up this morning to write.
Got it.
So you're gonna do it in like the first 10 minutes and then give it to the customer. That's the plan.
That's like 70% of the day.
This is very procrastinating.
Which is very based on pressing a lot of fun. Wait, there's a team for 8%. Oh shit.
I went Mr. today.
Yeah.
Dang,
I think I'm not gonna take another SAT.
Oh, okay.
So thanks for your offer.
No, I offer.
I tried, so
No, that's okay. You do what you gotta do. I offer because I know you're a good kid. I know you'll get what you want. But I just worry about your goal. Like you want to go to be where you want to get there.
okay, we'll see.
But it's not, the school doesn't define it. What?
That's the other one.
What's your other one?
Idaho.
You got Idaho?
Easy one.
What? Okay. All right. And
They're like Italian.